Today is Dussehra and the nation celebrates the victory of good over evil. Take a look at these pictures from across the country. These coming in from Kolkata as we speak. Numerous events of Ravan Dahan organized across India to celebrate Lord Ram's victory over Ravan. Today is also the last day of Durga Puja celebrations, and at several places including here in Kolkata, idol immersion ceremonies are underway. After the end of Ramlila celebrations, effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakaran and Meghnad have been set ablaze. Delhi has been put on high alert in the wake of intelligence inputs. But these are images of festival fervor across the country in the run-up to Deepavali. I want to go across straight now to headlines today's Pratibha Raman, who's outside the stunning palace in Mysore for what are perhaps the most beautiful images every single year, Pratibha.
Well, absolutely a captivating sight, Shiv. What you see behind me is the beautiful Mysore Palace with at least about 1 lakh bulbs that has illuminated, making it look so very beautiful today. And what's interesting is that, Shiv, there was at least about 77 lakhs of rupees that was spent in the maintenance of this particular illumination. And what is to follow tomorrow is that there's going to be a grand jumbo savari that's going to be taking place. And in fact, the stage is all set here all around. People who have gathered to see this beautiful sight as well as reserve their seats for tomorrow's procession. In fact, I have with me some of them who have come all the way from Andhra Pradesh. In fact, this youngster has come the second time because the first time it's been so captivating for him.
Yes, I have come to first time to hear Mysore. I have seen inside so many frames, networks, all is very super well. Now for that was, I have come to second time for this to see lightings especially. So we have planned it to second time also. We have come in bus 26 members. It was very beautiful.
In fact, there's another member here. How has your first time experience been after seeing this?
It is really very great to be here, but it is as a festival of Dussehra. It is really nice, but only the disappointment is that we can't able to see the inside as we are not allowed on the occasion of Dussehra. Really, we want to be here again in order to meet, to see all those places. Yeah. So we again will be here in order to see this.
One look at the exterior, it completely draws you inside. You really want to go inside and see the beauty of what's lying in store inside. In fact, this particular young man has been visiting this place for at least about 4 years now. 4 साल यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, किस लिए?
हम विलेज रायचूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट फ्रॉम कर्नाटका 4 साल से हमें आ रहा है इधर. बहुत खुश हो रहा है इधर.
When he sees this place, he gets really very happy about it, and that is what brings everyone here, year on year, to Mysore, yes, to see, to witness this captivating sight. Back to you, Shiv.
It's really those beautiful sights. I've seen it myself on one occasion many years ago when I was growing up with my parents in Mysore. Happened to be there on Vijayadashmi Day, so I have seen those sights, and it's difficult to describe how beautiful they are. You, of course, have the best view, enviable, Pratibha, but enjoy those images. Thanks for getting us that live report. As you can see, the crowds behind Pratibha. This is something that people from all over the country descend on Mysore for every year. And it doesn't really change very much every year because it is so beautiful. Why change anything that is already so beautiful? Pratibha, thanks very much. These, of course, are images from earlier today in Delhi, not images you see very often at the Dussehra celebrations, where Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, got together with Sonia Gandhi and former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh as well at the Subhash Maidan for Dussehra celebrations here in the national capital. Okay, we're going to go across and get you pictures from one more city before we take a break. Kolkata, Manogya Loiwal is live with us. Manogya, the last day of Durga Puja celebrations, especially beautiful, especially symbolic there in Kolkata.
Well, absolutely. If you would call it the propelling visuals of Ravana, here the effigy of Ravana being burnt and also signifying the good being winning over evil, and perhaps also the celebration here. More than 20-30,000 people had gathered here in Salt Lake Helipad ground, where a private organization was organizing the whole festivities, and also the excitement that we've never seen before, at least in West Bengal. Call it the rule of the CPIM government that has stopped this celebration from past 34 years. But now with the new regime, you find it happening. But the most interesting part is that the number of people who gathered here is beyond imagination. Despite being pandal hopping season for everyone, population. They have gathered here in huge numbers, and that's where you signify the victory of good over evil, and also the support system that we've seen. It is simply miraculous feeling, at least for the people of Kolkata, who have always been interested and focused upon pandal hopping, but this time for a change they have much more to be offered.